Hi guys, it's Jaden from Saskatoon Truck Center. This is stock number 4952P. It's a 2018 Ford Transit T350 cargo van with 116,000 K. Nice low miles on this one. It is the 350 option, so it is your 1 ton. This is your low roof model and 148 wheelbase. So you do have just over 11 feet from the bulkhead to the back door. This one's got shelving on the driver's side, as well as some tank storage here. There is enough room to get larger materials in, whether that be furnaces or water heaters, air conditioners, that type of thing. Milwaukee pack outs, anything like that can go pretty easily through the side. There's a hydraulic drop-down ladder rack mounted up top. On the back, we've got a backup camera as well as rear park sensors. Again, shelving on the driver's side. And plenty of room for materials. It's a nice thing about these extended length transit vans is they do certainly house a lot of material. Something like this would be good for your general contracting company, plumbing and heating company, or electrical outfit as well. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, air tilt cruise. This one also has a power inverter mounted in there for charging drill batteries on the go. Lockable center console. This one does come with a 3.7 liter as well, so it's a decent little motor, great on fuel, nice and reliable as well. Again, something like this would be a great addition to any sort of fleet you have. Again, stock number 4952, 2018 Ford Transit cargo van.